Hello everyone, it's me Sonia Shaikh and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be reviewing Whitening face wash green tea extract, and I will be sharing my experience with this product because I've been using this face wash for about 2 months now. And I'm sure after watching this video you will get all the answers to the questions and concerns you might have in your mind before buying this product. But before we start this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. So without further ado, let's get started. So this face wash comes in a nice quality white tube and it has a flip open plastic cap which is a little bit of transparent. The product inside has white color and has a creamy medium to thick texture. It also contains green colored micro beads, but they are not enough to scrub your face. To be honest, I don't know the purpose of micro beads in this face wash. Anyways, the face wash has a nice mild scent which is hard to explain, but the fragrance is not bothering to me at all and it fades away after washing your face. The quantity is mentioned on the bottom front of the tube, which is 100 ml, and I bought this face wash in 270 Pakistani rupees from a local shop. But YC face washes are easily available both locally and online. The manufacturer and expiry dates are also mentioned on the top back of the tube, according to which this face wash can be used for 5 years, so it has quite decent shelf life. Gently apply face wash all over the face, rinse off with fresh water, apply twice a day every morning and night for best results. To be honest, I use this face wash the same way twice a day, and by using twice a day, this whole tube will last about 2.5 months. As I said, I have used almost the whole tube of this face wash, so according to my personal experience, this face wash does not have whitening results. When you freshly wash your face with this face wash, your skin becomes so clear and your complexion gets a little lighter than your natural complexion. It does brighten up your complexion, but these effects start fading away over time. According to my personal experience, I would honestly say that this face wash doesn't seem to have a cooling formula. It just doesn't feel that way on the skin. The answer is yes. This face wash does a really good job cleansing our skin deeply and pulling out all the dirt and oils from our pores. Based on my personal experience, I would honestly say that this face wash doesn't seem to control oils, especially for super oily skin. But if you have normal to oily skin, then it may work better for your skin. So the answer is no, this face wash is not really oil controlling, but a little bit. The product description says, a cooling face wash especially formulated to clean your skin. Green tea maintains your skin's natural moisture, feels smooth and soft from deeper, more through cleansing and relaxed. By the way, some of the claims are true and some of them are false, as I have mentioned earlier in this video. As long as green tea extract thing, if you check the ingredients list, you would find that ingredient mentioned in the list. Although there is nothing mentioned on the packaging of this face wash that which skin type it suits, but according to my experience, it's suitable for all skin types. If you have either dry or sensitive skin, then this face wash would make the skin a little stretchy but doesn't make it rough. It may or may not dry out your skin, so apply a moisturizer right after using this product and you are good to go. And if you have either oily or combination skin, then using this face wash would remove all the extra oils and dirt from the pores and deep clean them. It would make dry areas a little stretchy, so people with combination skin have to apply a moisturizer right after using this product. People with dry, sensitive and normal skin should use this face wash in summer instead of winter, while oily skin people should use this face wash in winter instead of summer. But combination skin people can use this product whole year. So that's my complete and 100% honest review on YC Whitening Face Wash Green Tea Extract. For in-depth review, you should definitely go ahead and check out my website soniashaikhofficial.com. I have put the link in the description box below. I hope I have covered all the necessary points, but still if I forgot something, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Also share your experience if you have used this face wash as well. I would love to know how your experience was, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.